the United States of America remains in an era of persistent conflict. We face ruthless foes, from insurgents to rogue nuclear states to global power struggles. In order to prepare for an uncertain future and an increasingly complex strategic environment, we must maintain the combat edge of our weapons and sensors. These systems must be well tested to ensure that we continue to prevail in these fights. White Sands Missile Range will play a pivotal role in meeting these testing challenges. White Sands Missile Range, the birthplace of America's missile and space activity, has played a critical role in the country's history, from the detonation of the world's first atomic bomb to America's first trips into space, to the development of modern air defense and helping to end the Cold War with the development of the Pershing II ballistic missile and anti-ballistic missile testing. White Sands now looks to modern conflicts, with testing of counter-IED systems, and the future of warfare with directed energy testing. And White Sands is still dedicated to keeping America on the forefront of space exploration by testing the future of American spacecraft and supporting commercial space endeavors. We are the nation's biggest land range, with decades of experience facing some of the nation's most challenging test requirements. White Sands Missile Range is also an active military installation, supporting Army, Navy, Air Force, foreign governments and militaries, and commercial customers. The range offers numerous decisive advantages for testing and training. A highly diverse terrain set is available, DoD-controlled airspace to ensure security and safety, and the best frequency management available at any open-air range in the country. Existing facilities ready for use include runways, tunnel complexes, urban environments, environmental test chambers, nuclear effects testing, full-range electromagnetic effects testing, and highly instrumented test ranges. What may best demonstrate the range's vast capabilities is a sample of our accomplishments. Missiles, unmanned systems, distributed testing, artillery, countermeasures, space systems, space and atmospheric science missions, material testing, dynamic air and ground targets, system and instrumentation calibration, cyber warfare and security, training and doctrine analysis, GPS testing and jamming, alternative energy, meteorological effects and force protection, law enforcement and counterterrorism training support, border protection and search and rescue training support, deep penetration weapons and counter WMD capabilities, sensors, directed energy, naval weapons and sensors, Air Force weapons and sensors. This diverse array of systems naturally leads to White Sands Missile Range playing the central role in system of systems testing. Examples include Naval Integrated Fire Control Counter-Air, Integrated Air and Missile Defense, and the primary evaluation events for the U.S. Army, the Network Integration Evaluations. With over 4,000 soldiers operating in threat representative terrain, this 6-week evaluation series allows current and future DoD systems to integrate and operate together, testing, evaluating, and demonstrating combined capabilities. To ensure continued testing capability, White Sands Missile Range conducts testing in an environmentally responsible and sustainable manner. The terrain diversity leads to a vast array of wildlife that flourishes in this protected setting. White Sands Missile Range continues to seek sustainable means to reduce its influence on the environment. White Sands Missile Range is building upon decades of experience testing systems in support of our nation's defense. We are positioned to support future testing, experimentation, and training requirements. White Sands Missile Range. We're more than just missiles.